call details. So let me select admin CDR. So as there is no data at present, let me select the past data. So this is about the CDR with respect to the admin. The call details which are present with respect to the resellers or with respect to the subscribers under this particular admin. So the same call details will be displayed in this admin CDR page. So as you can see, destination name is differentiated with SIP to SIP call and India. So this is nothing but the calls with respect to the pin-to-pin calls and the termination gateway reached calls, like the PSTN calls. So if I select PSTN calls only and search it, so calls with respect to the PSTN, so those things will be filtered out and will be displayed in here. And if I wanted it to be with respect to the destination number, so I can enter it in here and I can search it. So if I search it with a particular PSTN number, so with respect to the PSTN number, the number of calls which I have initiated, those things will be displayed in here. And if I select reset, so a page will be resetted, and the same number again I came back. And as you can see, on selecting the PSTN calls, there is a difference between reseller and distributor. There is an empty space for a reseller. The calls with empty reseller or distributor are nothing but the direct subscribers and the subscribers which are created under admin directly, and the subscriber calls which are initiated from the reseller, the reseller which has been created under the admin. So the reseller name will be displayed and the username which the user which has been initiated the call will be displayed here, and the time of call and end time will be displayed, and the sale cost, duration, buy cost will be displayed, and the detail. These are the calls which are disconnected at the 0th second only. So I'll select answered calls. So these are the calls with respect to the answered calls. So this is the call with the 20-second duration, and sale cost, buy cost, and profit is nothing but taking out the buy cost from the sale cost. And this is about the admin CDR. And on selecting the detail, so as you can see, the same details like start time and through which termination gateway it's been routed, and the hang up cost, hang up position, and all the details will be displayed in this call details page. And as you have seen, the details page is as empty, so the call is being initiated, and at the 0th second itself is call is been disconnected. So it may be the reason of the call is not being accepted at the termination, or the origination place itself the call is being terminated. So this is what the reason that's the detail page is getting empty. This is about the admin CDR and SMS CDR. So I can select the past date, and so this is the SMS CDR under the admin. So total SMS count, the sale cost, buy cost, and the profit will be there. And here, as I have already explained, the sender and the reseller, admin subscriber, it will be differentiated with the direct subscriber as an admin subscriber, and the reseller under which parent the subscriber sent an SMS will be displayed in here, and the gateway will be displayed in here, and the SMS count with respect to the sale cost, buy cost, and the profit also, with the destination number and the destination name will also be there, will also be present in the SMS CDR page. So this is about admin CDR for the calls. It may be for these pin-to-pin calls or PSTN calls, and also for the SMS CDR. Origination Gateway CDR. This is about Origination Gateway Subscriber CDR. So as I already told you, no presently there are no calls present in the application. So this is about the calls which are initiated by the Origination Gateway subscriber. So Origination Gateway, I'll select the particular Origination Gateway, and on selecting this, same the data will be displayed on PageNation. So if I select the last and first, the PageNation will be worked and per page value will be same. And as I already explained for the admin CDR, the same the details will be displayed. If I routed the calls with respect to the Origination Gateway subscriber, Origination Gateway subscriber name will be displayed in here, and through which Origination Gateway it's been initiated, and caller ID with the destination number and destination name and start time and end time, and the total call duration will be displayed in here with the call cost. It's the sale cost for the Origination Gateway subscriber. So this is about the Origination Gateway CDR. And subscriber CDR, which explains the end user, which end user is nothing but the subscriber who is created under the admin direct, who is nothing but admin subscriber directly. So this is about the subscriber CDR. As I already explained in the admin CDR, so the username who is nothing but subscriber name, and the destination number he initiated call, and the call type, it may be a SIP-to-SIP pin-to-pin call or a destination PSTN call, and user agent IP, and the start time, end time, and the duration, call cost, and subscriber group. The subscriber who initiated the call, who belongs to which subscriber group will be displayed in here, and the call type is also will be displayed in here. So the destination name, if the destination name is a SIP-to-SIP call, the call type is also SIP-to-SIP. If a destination name is other than SIP-to-SIP call, and the call type will be a PSTN call, is nothing but the outbound call. The duration, with respect to the duration, call cost, which is nothing but the sale cost for the subscriber, will be displayed in here. So this is about subscriber CDR. And fail calls. So let me select the past date, and so this is about the failed calls which are failed while initiating the calls with from a subscriber, the end user subscriber. So it will give you the message for which reason the call will be cancelled, or the call has been not routed to the termination gateway or to the destination properly. So here you can see the reason message, reason of the message for a failed call, and the caller who is nothing but the subscriber who initiated, end user who initiated the call, and the callee, the destination number, and termination gateway. If the gateway, it's been reached to the gateway and the gateway is not routed, it will be present, and the date, on which date he initiated the call. Same way you can select the subscriber group and caller or a particular subscriber name. PageNation and per page value will be the same. So this is about the call details.